Hey guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is Evangel Recipes. Thank you for stopping by, and to my old subscribers, I love you so much. God bless you. So today we are making burger buns. Yes, burger buns or burger bread. In this mixing bowl I have 6 cups of all-purpose flour, and that is what I'm going to be using for this particular recipe. And I have already activated yeast. I have a 3/4 cup of milk, warm milk please, and I added 3 tablespoons of sugar, salt and yeast, and I left it for about 5 minutes thereabout to get it activated. Here I have 2 large eggs which I'm going to be using for this particular recipe, and I will be adding about 150 grams of melted butter, and I'm going to be adding it in batches. I love my burger buns buttery and soft. I don't know about if you like it hard or chaffy, or I don't know. I don't like it. I like it soft and buttery. Yes, that is the way I love my burger buns. So, and this particular video was inspired by having eaten a salad burger I got from a burger store, and I didn't like it, so I decided to be making my own burger. And if you have not seen my video on how I made chicken burger and fish burger, everything made from the comfort of my home, if you have not seen it, please make sure you check my playlist and watch it. So I've added the remaining of the 150 grams of melted warm butter, and I keep mixing. If you have a mixer, you could use it. I have a mixer, but I prefer to use my hand. I don't know why, it's just my choice. So guys, if you have not subscribed, why not do so now? I have so many recipes on this channel. I mean, very unique and very informative recipes you can try at home. I mean, you don't need to buy everything from the grocery store. I mean, you need to do certain things from the comfort of your home so that you know exactly what you are eating. Because the store-bought stuff, you might not know the additives or the preservatives and all that they are using. But when you make it from the comfort of your home, when they are homemade, you will know exactly what you are consuming. So right now, I've finished mixing my dough, and I have greased it a little so that, I mean, it doesn't stick when it is kept to rise. So right now I'm going to be, covering it with a nylon seal or a plastic seal, and then set it aside. Leave it for about 20 to 30 minutes because it's instant yeast, so it's not going to take time to rise. And then we will come back and continue with our burger bread. So this is actually the time you need to leave it to proof. I mean, if your yeast is active, it will double the size, or probably 1.5 the size if your yeast is active. And even from the beginning of the video, you could see that my yeast is very, very active because I activated it even before adding it to the flour. So we just set it aside and allow it to proof. So guys, you could see that our dough has doubled its size. Yes. So right now you have to deflate, to release all the air. And look at how soft and smooth it is looking. This is how I really love my dough. I love it very, very smooth and soft, especially when I'm doing a burger bread or a buttered bread, whichever one. They are all the same process. It's just the molding, or that is the difference. Just the difference is in the molding. Yes. So right now I'm going to be molding them and then also keeping them to proof for some minutes before I start baking. So right now, what I'm going to be doing is to fold it in. Fold it in to get your burger buns shape. Yes, you keep folding it, make it to be as smooth as possible so that when you are baking it, it rises evenly and the shape will be so beautiful. So you keep folding it in, keep folding in, keep folding in, and smoothing it out. As you're folding in, you're smoothing it as you're folding. That's basically what you have to be doing. And then you leave it to also proof for another few minutes before we are going to be baking. So right now, we're just going to be folding it in. So guys, right now, I left it for some minutes. You could see that, it has also doubled the size. So I'm just going to wash it with some milk. This is milk. In other videos I have made, I asked you to be using egg, but this time around, I'm using milk. It gives you almost the same effect. That is the glossy, brownish, golden brownish look you get from your bread or from whatever you're baking. So right now I'm using milk instead of using egg, but it gives the same effect. Believe me, it gives the same effect. So after washing it with some milk, I'm going to be popping it into the oven for baking. And it depends on your oven. Mine is manual, so if you have automatic or digital, know what your oven requires. So this is our burger buns is ready. Oh my gosh, this is so lovely. It's looking so lovely, and believe me, it will definitely taste great. Yes, it's just out of oven and it's looking as fresh as today's bread. This is so lovely. I mean, try it. Look at the inside. It's so soft and nice. Soft and nice. Yeah, I told you I love my burger buns. I mean, very, very soft and buttery. If you have not subscribed, do so and take care. Bye.